step is to make our pie chart. Okay, and so on the pie chart, this is going to be your opinion about stuff. You are not going to put the same amounts as me, remember. Now, I have my screen frozen. I don't know if that makes a difference. Hope it looks all right for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to put rent or mortgage, including renter's insurance, and I'm going to put $1,500 a month, because this is per month. Okay, heat and electric, I'm going to put $150. Phone bill, I'm going to put $160. Cable and internet, that's optional, but I just have internet, so I'm going to put $70. If you have cable, it's going to be a lot more expensive than that. Gas and transportation, including car insurance, I'm going to put about $200 a month. Food shopping per month, probably about $800. And other, that's like money you spend on clothes or going out shopping or going out to dinner, things like that. So maybe I want to put in $300. Okay? And so my next step then is to follow the directions below. I'm going to input this data into the spreadsheet. So I'm going to go into my documents and I'm going to bring up the one I've been working on. I'm going to start a new sheet. I'm going to rename it right now and I'm going to call it pie chart. Okay? At this point, I'm going to type everything in, starting with expense, the heading, and everything below that. And then on the next part, I'm going to put the amount of money. And I'm going to put in parentheses dollars because those are the units. Again, I would like to stretch this to make some more space. So please pause the video at this point and type your information in. Okay, at this point, you should have all your information typed in if you're unpausing it. If I'm curious about how much money that is total, remember what I can do is I can click on the box, a different box, any box, go to formulas, go to auto sum and choose the sum, and then choose the information that I want it to sum. So the budget I made is about $3,180 a month. Okay, not that that's important, but that's how we can tie this back to what we were working on last week. Okay, so now we want to highlight the data and click insert and choose either the first 2D or 3D, same thing every time, but pie chart this time. So I have everything highlighted, insert, pie, and choose either the first 2D or the first 3D. Again, I prefer 3D. Okay, so there's a few things we need to change here. If you look at the directions, it says to be sure to add a title, remove the legend. So I'm going to, I already have a title, I'm going to delete the legend and display data labels and percents. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to right click and I am going to add data labels. Okay, but that's not what it says to add. So I have to right click and now I have to format my data labels. I want to make it show the percentage and I want to show the category name. And then I'm going to close it and you can see how this stuff has been added on. I can stretch it bigger if I want to. That's not actually what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to move it over, but that's fine. Okay, now if I look at the directions, I'm done with what I need to do. Again, you're going to email it to me at the end, so make sure you are constantly saving your information. Okay, stop the video there. That's it for the pie chart.